Hey, welcome back to Beard Squid. In this video, you're going to see some problem-based learning where I gave the students, or I told them to make a frustum and for them to work out the volume. That's all that they were given, no formulae, no anything. So they started exploring this problem and thinking, hey, you know what? If it was a pyramid, then we can just find the volume of a pyramid using a third times the base area times the height. However, this wasn't a straight up pyramid because the top part of it was cut out. So they started exploring different ways in which they could solve this problem. And one student said, hey, what if we insulated the frustum and then poured water to find out the capacity? So they went along and they sellotaped the frustum, made a little hole in the bottom and poured water into it. And so look at this. They poured water into it and got a one of these measuring cylinders, graduated cylinders, to find out how much water capacity would fit in the frustum. I think it's an ingenious problem. At this point, students haven't received any formulae to work out the volume, just to explore it themselves. So the first round gave us 120 milliliters of water, and then that had to be poured out. And the second round, or the remaining amount of water, gave us 64 milliliters. So that together gave us a total of 184 milliliters. Well, 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cubed volume to capacity, and hence, yeah, we got 184 centimeters cubed. Now, if we look at this problem, we take the frustum, and this is the same frustum, by the way. The base length was 12 centimeters and the top length was 6 centimeters. If you open it up, you can see that the perpendicular height was 5 centimeters. Now I'm going to use this formula here. This is the formula for a frustum, a triangular based frustum. What did it represent? What does A, B and H represent? Well, we know H represents the height. What I'll do is I'll link a website where you can go and look into, hey, that formula. For now, what we'll do is substitute the values into the formula. So the height we know is 5 centimeters. Our top length, which is A, represents 6 centimeters, and then B, which is the bottom length, is 12 centimeters. So let's start substituting those values into the formula. V equals the height times root 3 over 12 bracket 6 squared plus 6 times 12 plus 12 squared. If we do those numbers, we get 6 squared 36 plus 72 plus 144. And if we simplify that, we get 5 times the root of 3 over 12 all times by 252. Now, if you do that on your calculator, you get 182 centimeters cubed. What's really interesting here is, remember when we filled it up with water, we got 184 centimeters cubed, or 184 milliliters. So problem-based learning in the classroom, highly encouraged. Let the students explore their own guided discovery. And if you want more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe and check out the playlists to some of the other topics. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.